I have a blue barrel here. To determine what size adapter I will need, first I am going to measure the plug with a caliper and measure along the seams of the plug. As you can see, the dimension of the plug is 63 millimeters, so I'm going to get a 63 millimeter adapter. You will need to order your adapter separately because we sell a variety size of adapters that fit various size openings. In a boxed kit, there are instructions on how to assemble and operate the pump, an operator's manual, a pump which is specifically selected for your chemical, a specialty adapter that best fits your barrel if you have ordered it, a 4-inch standoff with a 2-inch pipe thread, and a tube kit which is up to 42 inches in length and will reach the bottom of your container. Here I am showing you that I am measuring the seams of the adapter with a caliper to show that it is the same dimensions of the plug and will fit onto the barrel. Now that we know the size of our adapter, we will need to put plenty of Teflon tape around the threads and screw on the adapter to the barrel. The tape ensures that there will never be a leak and the system is airtight so the system works properly. Now we need to get the 4-inch standoff out and put plenty of Teflon tape around the threads on the bottom and screw the standoff onto your 63 millimeter adapter. This reassures that there will be no air leaks whatsoever. Next, I am getting out the tube kit, which includes 4 10-inch tubes, 3 connector pieces, and 1 foot piece. Take one tube and push it onto one connector. Now I'm putting another on the other side of the connector. On the bottom, put your foot piece, which allows fluid flow. Line up the tube on the outside of your barrel, and with a marker measure the height from the bottom of the barrel to the top of your 4-inch standoff. Cut the tube to the mark I just made and install it to the bottom of the pump. Put the whole pump and tube assembly into the barrel and turn the drum seal expander clockwise 4 or 5 times to tighten the pump securely onto the standoff. Finally, activate the piston up and down 5 to 7 times and open your tap to get a steady flow of fluid. Close the tap and voila! The pump is set up and tested.